Overseas Academy and Ma'am Joyce Aquino once again, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to sterilize the feeding bottle. There are a lot of ways to sterilize feeding bottles, but this time I will show you how to sterilize feeding bottles using the electric steamer or sterilizer. So before we start, we have to prepare and gather all needed supplies, tools, equipment, and materials. So we have here the bottle sterilizer, the 2 hand towels, the utility basin, the feeding bottle to be sterilized, and the tub. First, we're going to uncover and put it down face up to avoid contamination. And then we're going to pour water until the lid and put the bottles upside down, followed by the cap and the chamber ring, and then cover. Plug the cord and connect it to the outlet, and switch it on. Wait for 15 minutes upon boiling point, and then after 15 minutes we're going to slightly open it and add the silicone nipple and sterilize it again for another 10 to 15 minutes. So that's a total of 30 minutes. When done, switch it off and then unplug, and then allow to cool first before you open it to prevent scalding. And then I'm going to assemble the feeding bottle using the hand towel and the tongue. Pick the bottle first and try outside only, and then set it aside and pick the cap, followed by the chamber ring and the silicone nipple. To insert this, you can use the tongs butt to push it in place, and then attach it to the bottle and clean as you go.